Okay, if you guys don't know who Zack King is, he is he was a Viner, but when Vine shut down, he went straight to YouTube and Instagram. I think he was on there before that, but he was on Vine. He was on Vine. He got famous off Vine. Then he went to YouTube, and basically he does all these like cool magic tricks. He just edits a lot, and they look super real, and they're awesome. You'll need to know this information for later in the video. It's like, I don't know, but you'll need to know it. Okay. See you in the next clip. Okay, guys. So this is how normal people solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay. Okay, and this is how Zack King solves a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, so that is a normal person solving a Rubik's Cube versus Zack King solving a Rubik's Cube.